In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user on your Gmail or Google account. This handy process will allow you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly without the hassle of constantly logging in and out. Adding another account can be particularly useful if you have separate emails for work, personal use, or any other purpose, and you'd like to access them all from one place with ease. Let's dive in and I'll guide you step by step to achieve this. First, you'll want to have your web browser open and direct it to the Gmail website. If you're already signed in, you should find yourself looking at your inbox. If not, you'll need to log in with your existing credentials to proceed. This step is foundational, as you need to access the main page of Gmail where all your settings and options reside. Next, navigate to the upper right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a circular icon that represents your profile picture or an avatar, which signifies your account. Click on it, and a drop-down menu of options will appear. This menu is a gateway to managing your account settings and much more, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with it. Within this menu, look for the option that says add another account and select it. This will prompt a new window to appear, allowing you to enter the details of the account you wish to add. Pay close attention, as this step is pivotal in expanding your email management capabilities, enabling you to switch between accounts with just a few clicks. In the newly opened window, you'll be asked to input the email address and password corresponding to the additional account you want to manage. This information needs to be entered accurately to ensure a successful login and integration of the new account into your existing setup. Take your time here, it's important to be precise to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered the required login details, hit that login button. If you followed each step carefully, the account should now be added to your list, and you can easily toggle between accounts by simply clicking on your profile icon again. Each time you do so, you'll see all the accounts you've added, ready to be accessed with just a click. This feature streamlines access and improves productivity by consolidating your communication channels. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and manage additional user accounts on Gmail. Whether you're managing work and personal emails or simply want everything centralized, this method is invaluable for enhancing productivity and organization. Keep practicing to become even more proficient in navigating and managing Gmail, and enjoy the newfound ease of access. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tutorials to make the most of your Gmail experience.